Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Sometimes it will be like a real-time tip. Learn the strategy behind lock entries and how to remove it in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Any SAP module, if you take it, so certain times it will be locked. So first we try to understand what are all these lock entries. Okay. So like for example, you would like to do some configuration or else you would like to do certain object. The same object will be utilized by another consultant or a user. Certain times what happens, SAP will put the lock, database lock for that particular entry. So it will tell that until unless other person cannot able to come out of that transaction, you cannot able to do anything. Okay, but we have a strategy. But in real time what it will happens for lock entries, I will explain you. Lock entries, everyone knew, almost every consultant, how to remove it. Before going ahead, let me tell you, this is my YouTube channel. If you are not at subscribed, you can subscribe. SAP SD coaching or training, and you will get more inputs like this. All these are the different set of Udemy courses. If you wanted to learn, you can learn. Currently I'm holding 3,413 students, and this is my prime course, SAP SD. And if you're not introduced to CVA integration in S4 HANA, you can try this irrespective of any module. This is getting master to write functional specification. I am giving the stress. If you're a beginner, if you're not yet introduced to real time, just do this course. Apart from your functional module, here I have given a template. You try to write your own functional specification to get that expertise, to make yourself comfortable in real time. Okay, it's all about real time, right? Whatever you learn. So this is for pricing. I have a another course at advanced level. You can try this standard level only. And this is for rebates. Total 21 hours course are there. This is for STOs, and this is for, like, SD business process SD. I'm just providing all these links below of this video. If you would like to subscribe these courses to enhance your knowledge, you can try for it. The transaction code is SM12, as simple as it is. Let's try to see lock entries. I'm just trying to lock my screen itself. So let's take v/08. So sometimes it will be, let me try to open this procedure. Okay, assume that I'm the user, another user is accessing. Okay, sometimes it will be locked by myself also, v/08. If you click here, see, the data is locked by me. It is showing because it's in another session. But actually what happens? So it will be locked by some other person. For example, this is accessed by another person. It is with my user locked in another laptop system. Let's go for another transaction like this. Okay. See, now again the same transaction is locked by me. Okay, maximum sessions it is got reached. This example is fine. Now you can able to see this is enabled session, this is disabled session. Generally what happens within the same system is showing in your practice system, you will find most of the times, but in real time it is very less. So let me try to go to any blank screen. Okay, type the transaction. So let's come here, SM12. Generally in institute level, like, it's a global level. If you are accessing the same system, if someone is locked by them, you will give his user, not your user. This is my system, then I locked myself, I am giving my user. Let's list out. Okay, now see this, all these are T6083. Actually this is for pricing procedure, like T6083, SATU, all these are the text tables, and your condition types, all these tables locked. So now let's try to delete these locks. Okay, locking entries. See, the locking entries has been deleted. So now let's if I go back, okay. So this is the display transaction done. If it is automatically will be enabled because the lock is removed. In the similar way, if you would like to see this one here, this is locked, right? Let's click this. But actually you won't have two enabled session because of lock entry, because you cannot able to, this is not right way to do that. One object cannot able to modified by more than one person at the same time. Okay. So this is how lock entries works. But what exactly happens in real time? SM12, certain projects you don't have access. What should you do? If you get this scenario, how you're going to overcome? Entries removal, everyone knew. But if you have access, that is fine. If you don't have access, then you have to call, you have to write an email to the basis. This is object is locked by so and so person. Okay. Maybe because of XYZ reason. Suppose he didn't, he opened his laptop and he opened the same pricing procedure and he went for holiday. So then what will happen? Or else some 7 hours or 6 hours, your productive time will be get wasted. So that is the reason why removing lock entry is also very, very important to save your time. This is essential. I think you can remember that. This is Jagdish Kumar Raidu signing off. Jai Hind. All the best, all the best, all the best.